Hi, so Article 1170, doon na tayo, no? So, 1170 is, madali lang, no? Ang sinasabi niya lang doon, in case of fraud, negligence, or default, or delay, or in case of breach of contract, no? The other party has the right to sue for damages. So, yun lang yung gusto niyang sabihin. So, ano yung kind of damages, no? Meron tayong moral damages. These are damages asked because of mental and physical anguish. Ang kailangan mo sa moral damages, you need to prove it. Kasi nga sinasabi mo na merong mental and physical anguish, you need to prove it. No? Exemplary naman, from the word itself, to set an example. Exemplary, to set an example. Okay? Nominal damages, these are damages asked for if no other kind of damages may be asked. No? If you want to vindicate a right, can be, pwedeng nominal damages. Temperate naman if the exact amount of damages cannot be determined, ask for temperate damages. Then you also have actual and liquidated damages. So when we say actual, of course, the actual losses. When we say liquidated naman, yan na yung predetermined. No? Meaning, nilagay nyo sa contract nyo na ganito ang amount of damages. No? Yan yung liquidated damages. Okay?